Hey there, it's Dr. Crypto here with another Crypto.com update and a Bitcoin update because both parties are really crushing it at the moment. And I'm going to get into why Crypto.com is crushing it and why I think CRO will get to that $1 to $2 mark in this bull cycle. But before I start, smash that like and give a subscribe because it doesn't cost you absolutely nothing to do that at all. It helps support the channel. I'm only a small channel and hopefully we can keep on growing it. But overall, looking at CRO at the moment, we're sitting at 75 cents at the moment. We're sort of up at the moment by 44% to 6.8 million in 24-hour volume, and market cap is still sitting just above $2 billion. So obviously we've had Bitcoin making some big moves to the upside. But let's have a look at the chart at the moment for CRO, because CRO, as we know, has just been all the way from March, April time, it's just been on a downward trajectory. We all thought when we got up to that 17, 18 pence mark, we thought this is it, we're on the way up. And I thought that was the whole crypto market as well, was thinking the same thing. And then all the altcoins, majority of the altcoins anyway, have just been absolutely decimated between the Bitcoin pairing and USD as well. But at the moment, we've just been on this gigantic falling wedge here, and we're trying to get back above this area. Lots of resistance, though, up above. But hopefully, Bitcoin's making its time. And when Bitcoin dominance starts to drop down, hopefully, this will all fill into the altcoins and go up. But there's lots of bullish news for Crypto.com and the Cronos, which makes me feel like at some point, we will get that explosive move to the upside for CRO coin. So I get it. There's a lot of people frustrated out there and people are losing hope over CRO coin. But that's where I feel bullish, because as people start feeling that I feel we're getting close to the bottom, or we are at the bottom right now. And I think we're going to make our moves to the upside. But when you look on the weekly as well, look at the weekly. Again, same thing. But look what's happened again. You know, we had all these basically these falling wedges, broke up to the upside, falling wedge, broke up to the upside, and we got that falling wedge again, breaking, hopefully, to the upside. And it's a big falling wedge at that as well. But what's really making me excited for the CRO coin and for Crypto.com and the Cronos is this. We've got Mario here, Northall Roundtable. Crypto.com is crushing Coinbase in North America, and that is major. That is really, really big. Crypto.com just pulled a major power move, jumping from a 34 billion in trading volume in July to mid, blowing 134 billion in September. Meanwhile, Coinbase is chilling at 46 billion. Crypto.com's got over 378 tokens on the deck, diving deep into the meme coin game, while Bitcoin and ETH dominate their trades. Even with some legal heat, they still keep liquidity strong. People are not getting scared. What happened with Coinbase when they had that Wells note shot the market a bit, but everybody sort of got used to it now, and people are still flocking to Crypto.com. Why are they doing that? Why are people coming to Crypto.com? Why are investors, why institutions coming to Crypto.com? Because of what they're doing. They basically, look at the licenses they're getting. They're also everywhere. Their partnerships are expanding at a crazy rate. You know, in terms of UFCs, F1s, you name it, it's all there. And the Cronos ecosystem is also growing as well. And AI Bird is put it out. Did you know also that Crypto.com launched its Crypto.com agent a whole month before crypto on Coinbase? Crypto.com launched its AI-powered software development kit, the Crypto.com AI agent, at the end of September, and has been working since, developing further tools for the integration and enhancing the blockchain experience through AI. The Crypto.com AI agent initially allowed devs to integrate natural language processing capabilities into dApps. That just blows my mind, to be honest with you. Enable their users to perform a complex blockchain task, created wallet addresses, transfer funds, even swap tokens, and supporting blockchains through simple conversion commands. Basically, when you go on the Crypto.com app, it's so simple to use. Even the exchange, in my opinion, is simple to use. And now they have this AI to make it even more easier. And this is why I think it's attracting not just retail investors, but it's attracting institutions into their ecosystem. And they just keep on growing. And like I said, when you look at crypto.com and what they do, their licenses, but they're also putting incentives out there. Missed out on the Xbox Games Pass Ultimate. We're running that campaign again for the holidays. Win crypto worth up to a year of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Simply trade crypto on Grow Your CR holdings. And that's the only thing what's disappointing at the moment in the crypto and crypto.com and the Cronos ecosystem is the CRO token. At the moment, it's been a bit of a laggard. But what crypto.com and Cronos are doing, I really do think CRO is going to do a catch-up. It's going to mount faces. It's going to have that pump to the upside. I know, like I said earlier in the video, a lot of people are feeling quite depressed about the CRO coin because we want to see it make moves to the upside. And I really do think this is going to happen. I think the Cronos ecosystem with meme coins are really going to push the ecosystem forward. And I really do think at some point CRO will have its time. In my opinion, I've just been accumulating. I accumulate CRO every day. That's what I do because my conviction is to the upside because of what crypto.com is done. Look what happened when we got crypto.com got Wells News. We hardly got a dip. We got a little bit of a pullback, but nothing great or anything major, really. I really do think. And why is this? We can look at some Cecilia's put on here. Follow her on X. Updated. Look what they're building. Ireland, Dubai, UK, Netherlands, Spain, South Korea, Austria, Greece, Italy, Cyprus, US, Canada, and many, many more. You can see it on the map here where crypto.com are expanding. We've still got Africa to go. We've got lots of places to get these licenses as well. And what makes me even more bullish is when you look at Asia. When you look at Asia, is look at where crypto.com can get on the Hong Kong and get their exchange to the Hong Kong people out there. That is also going to be massive because we know crypto.com today is in the Hong Kong blockchain conference. So they're all there doing their work, getting the word out there for crypto and not just crypto.com as well. But Cecilia also pointed out here, it's worth watching. Where are we? F1 Grand Prix. How many people watch the F1 Grand Prix? Millions and billions of people watch the F1 Grand Prix. We've also got the Champions League. Not saying that all people are going to download the app and sign in, but we're going to get a nice percentage, I think. We've got the Champions League. 3 billion football fans are watching this. And there'll be a percentage that will download the app. We'll investigate crypto and look at it. And we'll look at CRO and other cryptos like Bitcoin. But they'll download the app and they'll start trading. That's what we want. UFC, it's like crypto.com and the arena. They're everywhere, absolutely everywhere. And it's got a strong community. You can see it on Cecilia's Twitter page. This just got such a strong community behind the crypto.com. We've got the loaded lions as well with Main City being built all the time. And we've got all these earn features and DeFi wallets, what crypto.com are doing. They've got everything there in place. And don't forget, they've got their Visa cards as well. They've got the various tiers. I've got the Icy White card. It's worth just going to their website and just checking out on the crypto.com website and all the features they give. They give you all the rundown of their licenses and what they are doing. But you just have to take a look at this. What they're doing is absolutely amazing. And I know a lot of these bigger influencers don't talk about crypto.com very much, but they're doing amazing work for the crypto industry in general, not just for the Crow fam, but the crypto ecosystem as a whole. That's what I'm looking at the moment. But we're just waiting for that CRO price to go because at the moment, the CRO price versus Bitcoin has just been diving. It's not just that as well. You can look at ADA as well. Absolutely the same thing. You can look at SHIB, not doing too bad, but it's been on the downward trajectory. Doge has been doing phenomenal, to be honest with you, and a lot of the meme coins as well. But CRO will have its time. It's found support here. I don't want it to drop down any further to where it is. I don't want it to get below 7 cents. Some people on the chat have been telling me, "Oh, we're going down to 2 cents. We're going down to 5 cents. Whatever." I really don't think that's the case personally. We could get a black swan event at any point in time, but I don't think we are. It's all about being patient and waiting. I think altcoins will have their time. But before we get into the Bitcoin chart, which I'll get into in just a while, we know a lot of volume is coming in and volatility is coming into not just the crypto space, but in the traditional markets as well, because we know coming up under a week now, we've got the elections coming in, Trump versus Harris. And we can see here at the moment, you've got to take it first with a pinch of salt. We've got Trump at 66% and Harris at 34%. So at the moment, it's looking like potentially Trump could be in, well, obviously he's in the lead. Could he win? Who knows? But obviously, it's bringing a lot of volatility in. Whoever wins, I think crypto is going to explode to the upside. But what really excites me at the moment is what Miles here says. Bitcoin in March, 71K. Coinbase app, store ranking 20. Bitcoin now 71. Coinbase app, store ranking 482. The price is exactly the same, but retail isn't back yet at all. It's scary how much higher we're going to go, because you know what happens when Bitcoin starts breaking all-time highs and we start to see alts start to move. Who starts to come right towards the end? We start to get the retail start FOMOing in, and when they FOMO in, that is when we get those big blow-offs top, and it's going to happen at some point soon. I feel it. But also, Quentin says here, my alts are bleeding, like CRO for an example, and many others. Yes, and they could bleed much longer. But don't forget that an explosive alt season and all the gains that come with that can help in just a week or so. You don't have time to adapt at the moment because everything will happen in a flash. And he is right. I experienced it in the previous bull market in 2020-21. I experienced that just like that with a click of a finger. All the alts were just exploding, going to all-time highs, and everybody was making money. Well, not everybody, because some people got greedy, and this is why I always say, have a plan, because a lot of people got greedy and didn't sell and got stuck left at the top. For me, I took in increments all the way up, so I never got stuck at the top. I had my money in that USDT, when we went into the bear market, hence why I was able to buy in this bear market that we had recently. But obviously, it's all gearing up. And Bitcoin right now, on this big 3-year cup and handle as well. A 3-year cup and handle. And I keep saying this in every video. 3 years of it, of this cup and handle being created. And now we're starting to make that move to the upside. And we can see here, we're coming up to that area of resistance here around about 71,500. As soon as we break that, I feel like we're getting to that $74,000 and beyond. And like I said, retail are not even here yet. But when they start getting sniffs of this, I think it's only a matter of time. It's any time now, I think, that we'll start to see retail coming in. And Bitcoin is definitely, I think personally, is going to go to around about that 130K mark. What are the alts going to do? They could well bleed even harder, because at the moment, Bitcoin dominance is just creeping up. And looks like we're about to break out of that rising wedge. But we're getting close. We could go, in my opinion, we could go to 64% in Bitcoin dominance. We could keep on climbing. If Bitcoin gets to that 80 to 100,000, we could be well higher than that. And alts could definitely bleed, definitely even more against Bitcoin pairing. But, like I said, at any point in time, alt season could start. And that is where we make those big moves. So I hope that's been useful. So like I said, give us a like and give subscribe. Stay safe out there. Exciting times ahead, in my opinion. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.